What I'm doing here is I'm setting the needle bar for height. Adjust it to the correct height is to align this top horizontal line with the bottom of that bushing, just like that. And when that is done, the needle bar has to be in its lowest position, has to be all the way down. And the other thing is that in order to adjust that, the screw is up higher on the needle bar, and it is right there. This is the needle bar clamp and clamp screw. And in order to adjust that, that's the screw, that's how you do it. That is the needle bar in its lowest position. It won't go any lower than that. And so that's how to simply, quickly set the needle bar for height. Hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.